So guys, today is my speaking test. So I just arrived in this hotel called Park Prime in Kolkata. So yes, hope for the best. Hello there. Today is my LRW examination for IELTS, and we'll catch you after my ETRF will release. See you soon there in YouTube. Hello guys, hope you all are doing well, and just look at the scene. I just came to my native hometown, and I have told you that once my ETRF of IELTS will be released, I will be back there with my result. So yes, this is what I got. In listening I got 7.5, in reading 6.5, in writing 6, and in speaking 6.5. So overall band is 46.5. Okay, well, yes, this is my result, IELTS result, 6.5 band. So what sorts of things I would like to convey here, that initially I was also in a dilemma that how should I prepare, how should I proceed with my do's and don'ts, what are the tricks and tips for getting a 7.0 band in IELTS. So I have booked this IELTS exam on 17th of Feb. That is was on LWR, and 14th of Feb was my speaking section. Talking about my speaking section, it was held on Park Prime in Kolkata, and my LWR actually it was on 17th of Feb in a food court called Haldiram. Yes, it was actually nearby to Quest Mall. So talking about my exam experience in speaking, I was quite nervous because my reporting time was 12 o'clock, sharply at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and I reported there at sharply at 11:45. So I'm having only 50 minutes left in my hand. So they asked me to settle down there. They provided some chairs and tables, and this keep on poking in my mind that what should I do? I mean, I have been to so many videos in YouTube that you have to be very calm and composed inside a speaking hall, no matter you don't know the actual answer of the question being asked by the examiner. So they have asked me about in future, where do you want to reside, where do you want to stay. So I told them that okay, actually the examiner was a lady. The first impression I got from her, that the moment I about to enter the room, she gave me a very decent smile on my face. So I thought that yes, this is the positive sign. So I just got relaxed, be chilled, and she asked me about my full name, where do I stay, what is my profession. These are the introduction questions, and she asked me that in future if you wanted to reside, what would be the places. And she also asked me about my current residential address, what is the best thing about where I'm staying right here, and what would be more better, what sorts of things I need to convert, or I need to do some changes in my vicinity. These are the follow-up questions, the introduction questions. And in my cue card, I I was about to discuss about the moment where a guy actually make some kind of chaos in a society, in a party, and how come we get a solution regarding that chaos. And so I have to tell about this thing. So I don't know, initially I was thought, I told her about a marriage party. And in a marriage party, we all know that how chaos a marriage party in India. We all are feel hustling and bustling regarding whether we are fighting for a plate, whether we are not getting proper chapatis or any kind of special dishes made for that marriage reception. And ultimately I told her about the solution, that how we could actually came up with the solution regarding that chaos. And regarding this topic, she asked me about the follow-up questions, like have you ever been to any yes, follow-up questions like what local government should do for their residentials. Have you ever been to some of the problems? I told her that yes, regarding some basic public problems like water scarcity, tripping of electricity. Apart from this, we don't have proper sanitation, proper schools and colleges. We don't have a proper bus stand. We should look after that. And these are the things. So the moment I came out from my speaking, there is a guy. There is a guy actually. He came to congratulate me. I mean, I told him why so. He told me that your English is very good. You look so confident. I thought you must get more than 6. Well, I hope so. Finger crossed. I'm talking about my LWR. Honestly speaking, guys, I feel very low while approaching for my writing part, because we all know that how hard. I mean, it's just like a nut to crack, because you don't know what sorts of thing going to be examined regarding a complex sentence, vocabulary, actual vocabulary, and the conclusion. So I have gone through 5 to 10 writing preparation before I actually set for this exam. So I always made it to rectify it from my colleagues where I'm working. They always encourage me, yes, you are in a right track. You have showed a very good examples, and you must get a good band score. I just told them that at least I will get 6. That's it. I'm not hoping for some greater band. And reading, yes, reading, I was actually not too much confident, but I know that yes, reading can be doable, because I have practiced a lot from Makkar's IELTS reading. Yes, there is 3 parts of Makkar's IELTS. I must recommend that please go through this book. This is a fantastic book. And in the speaking section, I would say that please please make a list of headings, like not heading. I mean, you might have gone through so many YouTube videos. So choose any of the videos in your leisure time and do accordingly in an alternative manner, because sometimes if you keep on doing the same thing every day, you might get bored. So for that, I actually opt of doing speaking test, speaking practice by recording on my phone. And once this recording does, I actually rectified where should I do, what sorts of things to be done, what sorts of things to be discarded. And yes, this gives me some sense of thing that here I'm going wrong. Talking about listening, I think if you have any listening, there are so many sources in internet where you can get this listening test. But if you actually opt for IELTS Cambridge practice, all these 18 volumes, not just 18 but at least 8 to 10 volumes of listening part, believe me, you will come to know that how much band is there, how much band you will actually get, because after practicing for 8 to 10 sample papers, some sorts of guess you might get about your caliber, that yes, either you're getting 6.5, 7, 7.5, and yes. So these are the things which I did I think 14 days before my actual exam. And talking about don't be tensed so much, because the moment you start bothering too much about anything, it will make you discouraged, and it will make you too much afraid of such particular event to be done. So be happy and believe in yourself, because one more thing, that talking about tips and tricks, it's the practice, no other videos, nothing. How I get many of my guys have actually showed me that, yes, look, this YouTuber has done within 3 days. No man, come on, each and every individual has their own caliber. They might take 3 hours, 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 months as well. So it depends upon the practice. Practice is the only key, believe me. If you keep doing practice for I think 40 days or 45 days, or even less than that, even 20 days, believe me, you will secure a good band score. Yeah, that's it. And all the best for watching these videos for their IELTS examination. Thank you.